Good day everyone. I am John Leonard Corre Pepito from grade 11 STEM 2. And today I will tackle about the vital role of soil in our ecosystem. Did you know that according to NRDC, the US Department of Agriculture, 1 inch of topsoil can take several hundred years to develop, but because of human activities, they can easily destroy it in a very short time. And I will show you some healthy and non-healthy soil resources in our environment. This is the healthy soil if we take care of it, and this is not the healthy soil if we not take care of it. In this picture, the people didn't know that they are destroying our soil resources. Soil is very important because if we take care of our soil today, we are also taking care of our food, water, and our future. Every small act of caring for soil, like planting trees and avoiding harmful chemicals, will help a lot to take care of our soil resources. Protecting soil also means that we are protecting our health, environment, and also our families. Again, I am John Leonard Pepito, and as a normal student that wants to learn, it's our responsibility to know the importance of protecting soil resources. Through studies or research about how we protect soil, we will know in that way how we can use soil properly and how it's important. We can also know the effect if we are not using it properly, like climate change and loss of fertility. That's why I'm here to share that soil resources are very important in our environment so we can take care of it. Today I will tackle the three subpoints. First is the importance of soil resources in our environment. Second is how we protect soil properly. And the third is how we can contribute to the soil resources. And now I will discuss the first subpoints, which is the importance of soil resources in our environment. Soil is our life support system. Soil also plays a vital role in the earth ecosystem, and without soil, human life would be very difficult. Soil provides plants a foothold for their roots and hold the necessary nutrients for plants to grow. The soil also filters the rainwater and regulates the discharge of excess rainwater to prevent flooding. And now let's proceed to the second subpoint, which is the how we protect soil properly. One of the most effective ways to improve our soil quality while preventing erosion and protecting the soil ability to continue functioning well is to increase the amount of organic material being put back into the ground. There are a range of organic farming methods which are designed to help sustain soil health, such as using fewer chemical pesticides. And now the last subpoint, which is the how we can contribute to the soil resources. Apply conservation tillage techniques. It means reducing or eliminating intensive tillage practices that disturb the earth structure and contribute to degradation. Practice the crop rotation by alternating the types of crops grown in your particular field each season. This helps to break pests and disease, enhance of soil fertility, and reduce the risk of nutrient depletion. Those are the three topics that I will tackle today. I hope that you learn a lot from my speech. And always remember from my three topics that soil is our life support system. Without soil, human life would be very difficult. The effective way to improve our soil is to increase the amount of organic material being put back into the ground. And if we want to contribute to the soil, reduce or eliminate intensive tillage practices that disturb the earth structure. And at the beginning of my speech, I already said that 1 inch of topsoil can take several hundred years to develop. But because of human activities, they can easily destroy it in a very short time. We understand that not protecting our soil resources is an environmental issue. If we are still not protecting our soil resources, it means we are not protecting our future. Again, I am John Leonard Pepito that will remind you all, soil is not a normal soil. This is our future, world, and also this is where we get food and nutrients. Always remember that soil resources are very important in our environment. Thank you.